Imagine this. Sausages are truly irresistible, right? It's nearly impossible to leave them on the plate. I thought you might want to know how those delicious sausages are made. So I managed to take a peek inside the processing plant. The journey starts with fresh, clean meat being fed into a machine. It's crucial that the meat is boneless to avoid any processing hiccups. The meat is divided into portions, each fed into massive grinders bit by bit. This gradual method ensures the meat is perfectly processed, free of lumps, and achieves perfection in every bite. To get that perfect flavor, the meat is blended, which includes some frozen cuts. Freezing the meat at low temperatures for a set period is essential to kill any harmful bacteria or parasites, ensuring the sausages are safe to eat. This also enhances the texture, making it smoother and buttery while extending shelf life. Next, the meat is chopped and shredded finely. Now comes the exciting part, the spices. A mix of herbs and spices is added to the meat, some spicy, others mild. The blend of meat and spices is key to the unique flavors. Ice is also added in small amounts to retain moisture and achieve that juicy texture. Keeping everything cold ensures even mixing, making sure every sausage is consistent. Egg yolks are then introduced. Automatic machines crack the eggs and separate the yolks from the whites, whisking them into the mix to ensure the blend is smooth and lump-free. This well-prepared mixture is combined with the meat to create the sausage filling. Now it's time to prepare the sausage casing. Natural casings are soaked in water for hours to remove any salt. Once ready, they're hydrated with a bit of water to maintain their perfect texture. The sausage mixture is piped into these casings, shaped into specific sizes. It's fascinating to watch as sausages emerge, perfectly formed with a glossy finish. Once shaped, they are coated with flavorful sauces and undergo a brief drying stage. Next, the sausages enter the smoking process, which is crucial for flavor and preservation. Smoking not only gives the sausages a rich taste, but also helps extend their shelf life by preventing bacteria growth. It's more than just a flavoring technique, it's a way to preserve the sausages naturally. After smoking, the sausages are hung on stainless steel hooks or wooden rods for further drying, allowing them to take on a deeper color and enhanced texture. This ensures that each sausage receives uniform exposure to air and smoke, allowing for even drying and flavor infusion. After drying, the sausages are carefully removed from the hooks and placed into a high-speed robotic system that separates them with air pressure. Picture those sausages being perfectly placed in a bun with mustard and onions. It's hard not to get hungry. Lastly, the sausages are packed. Each one is carefully placed in boxes in preset quantities, ready to be shipped. Machines handle the packaging, but there's a helper that fills and shapes the casings, ensuring each sausage is perfectly molded for the drying process. Once hung on rods for drying, they are carefully inspected to maintain top-notch quality before they're fully cured. The drying process allows the flavors to deepen and mature. So next time you enjoy a sausage, think about the process and all the careful work that goes into making them so delicious. They simply need to form small cheese balls, which are then automatically collected by subsequent machines. The cheese balls effortlessly roll out from their designated zones, aided by a constant stream of water that makes the process smoother. Let me take you through some fascinating details. Did you know that as cheese ages, its texture naturally changes? Over time, the moisture content decreases, making the cheese firmer and more crumbly, which enhances its flavor. Some cheeses also form a protective rind as they age, preserving moisture and intensifying the flavor. Automated systems revolutionize production by streamlining processes that once required extensive manual effort. These systems increase production speed without compromising quality, resulting in fresher, longer-lasting products that maintain their flavor and texture. In the case of cheese, precise control of factors like pH levels ensures curds achieve the ideal texture, smooth, firm, or stretchy, delivering consistent, high-quality results every time. The efficiency of automation optimizes both time and product quality, combining speed with precision for exceptional outcomes. Who doesn't love vibrant popsicles in the summer? A special ice pop mixture is poured into molds and set with sticks in place. This process goes beyond just child appeal. Recent research in the US shows that mass production of ice pops boosts factory efficiency by 50%, cutting costs and ensuring consistently high-quality treats. Proper packaging keeps the pops fresh during transportation and storage. Freshly harvested potatoes arrive at the factory and are placed onto a conveyor belt that takes them to the washing area, where a continuous stream of water cleanses them. After this rinse, the potatoes are scrubbed gently with soft brushes. Then they move on to drying, a two-in-one process as they continue drying naturally while advancing toward the peeling stage. The potatoes then enter the peeling station, where abrasive rollers remove their skins. From there, they're chopped into uniform pieces for different uses. Some potatoes are sent for further examination, while others are packed immediately. To make creamy mashed potatoes, the experts boil the potatoes on site, freshly boiled for the best taste. Once boiled, the water is drained, and the potatoes are blended with butter and milk, resulting in a perfectly creamy texture. These mashed potatoes are then portioned out with a nozzle for uniformity. It's a team effort, with all machines working in sync to create the perfect batch. But this isn't where the process ends. Stay tuned for more fascinating steps. One renowned frozen pizza company is dedicated to creating the perfect pizza. It starts with smooth dough that's shaped and partially baked in pizza pans. Then, machines spread pizza sauce evenly over the dough, while cheese is shredded and applied to ensure a flawless texture. Additional ingredients and sauces are added before the pizzas are frozen, packaged, and ready for distribution. These incredible machines deserve recognition for their flawless efficiency, working non-stop to deliver perfect results. With every turn of a knob and the push of a button, they turn simple ingredients into something extraordinary. Watch as raw dough, once mere flour and water, magically transforms into soft, fluffy buns, each one crafted to perfection with ease. As the dough rises, it is gently shaped and baked to golden brown perfection, its texture a testament to the precision of automation. Once baked, they're meticulously topped with a layer of sweet, fruity jam, creating a harmony of flavors. It's a prime example of how technology can elevate even the simplest of tasks, turning routine processes into moments of culinary perfection. It's a dance of precision, timing, and automation, showing just how far we've come in blending human ingenuity with machine-driven excellence. Honey candies are made by blending pure honey with other ingredients, then kneading them into a smooth, thick mixture. The candies are shaped and cut by automated machines that ensure each piece meets strict quality control standards. After cooling, the candies are wrapped and packaged for shipping, ensuring freshness. Jelly Belly candies are made in molds and allowed to cool before being spun to perfect their shape. The machines ensure consistency in size, shape, and texture, offering a variety of flavors for every mood. When compared to human hands, robotic machines excel in speed, precision, and consistency. Automated machines have revolutionized food production, streamlining processes with speed and precision. In meat processing, machines chop, pack, and seal meat into cans, ensuring hygiene and consistency. Bakeries use robots to mix, knead, and shape dough, creating uniform products like bread and sandwiches in no time. Candy production is also automated, with machines cutting, shaping, and wrapping candies to maintain smooth textures and consistent flavors. In donut making, robots shape, fry, and glaze donuts, ensuring perfect results with every batch. These machines not only improve efficiency, but also ensure high-quality, consistent food production for a fast-paced world.